go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs. Today we are diving into one of the most versatile and underrated elements of modern landscaping, the gravel patio. But what exactly does this mean? A gravel patio area is a designated outdoor space where the traditional hardscape materials, like heavy concrete or expensive pavers, are replaced with loose aggregates or small stones. It is a flexible living floor that bridges the gap between the structured architecture of your home and the wild, natural beauty of your garden. Unlike solid surfaces, a gravel patio creates a permeable, textured foundation that feels organic underfoot and provides a relaxed, European-inspired aesthetic that fits perfectly in both rustic cottage gardens and sleek, minimalist modern yards. There are numerous reasons why homeowners are making the switch to gravel. First and foremost is the incredible drainage. Because gravel is permeable, rainwater soaks directly into the ground rather than pooling on the surface or causing runoff issues, making it an eco-friendly choice for any climate. From a financial perspective, gravel is significantly more affordable than natural stone or poured concrete, allowing you to cover a larger square footage for a fraction of the cost. Installation is also far less labor-intensive, often serving as a perfect weekend DIY project since it doesn't require heavy machinery or complex leveling. Furthermore, gravel is incredibly low maintenance. It doesn't crack with the changing seasons, and if a bald spot appears, you simply rake some more stone into place. Finally, there is the unique sensory experience. The soft crunch of gravel underfoot creates a satisfying soundscape that adds to the peaceful atmosphere of your outdoor retreat. To make a gravel patio look intentionally designed rather than like a construction site, you need to focus on structure and contrast. Start by defining the perimeter with strong edging. Think steel strips, weathered bricks, or large cobblestones, to keep the gravel contained and create a crisp visual line against your lawn. When it comes to furniture, choose pieces with wide feet or sled bases so they don't sink into the stones, and use outdoor rugs to zone specific areas like a dining or lounging nook. Lighting is your best friend here. Stringing Edison bulbs overhead or placing solar lanterns among the stones creates a magical glow at night. Don't forget to integrate greenery directly into the space by using oversized terracotta pots or sleek metal planters, which break up the expanse of stone and add essential height and color. By layering textures, like wood furniture against gray stone and soft outdoor pillows, you create a sophisticated high-end look that feels cozy and curated. Choosing the right type of stone is crucial for both comfort and style. Pea gravel is perhaps the most popular choice due to its smooth, rounded edges and varied natural colors. It's easy to walk on even barefoot and offers a classic look. However, because the stones are round, they tend to shift or roll more easily underfoot. If you want a more stable surface for heavy furniture, consider decomposed granite or crushed stone. These materials have jagged, angular edges that lock together when compacted, creating a much firmer floor that stays in place. For a modern, high-contrast look, many designers opt for white marble chips or dark Mexican beach pebbles, which provide a striking visual punch. Whatever you choose, ensure you use a washed variety to minimize dust, and always install a high-quality landscape fabric underneath to prevent weeds from peeking through your beautiful new floor. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best gravel patio area ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern sunken fire pit lounge. This design features a deep-set, L-shaped wooden sectional nestled into a pea gravel base. The warm wood tones contrast beautifully with the gray gravel and the central geometric concrete fire pit. Surrounded by architectural succulents and ornamental grasses, this space feels like a high-end desert oasis, perfect for long evenings of conversation. 2. Secret garden wicker dining nook. Tucked behind a manicured hedge and a rustic stone wall, this patio uses fine gravel to host a traditional wicker dining set. The surrounding lavender and lush greenery soften the stone textures, creating an intimate, fragrant spot for al fresco meals that feels like a private corner of the English countryside. 3. Minimalist Zen multi-level patio. Using large, square concrete pavers set into a bed of fine golden gravel, this layout plays with geometry and negative space. Simple wooden benches and minimalist planters keep the vibe clean and airy. It is a masterclass in how to use gravel to create a sense of calm and order in a small backyard. 4. Dark tones and industrial chic. This bold design utilizes dark charcoal gravel to match a black horizontal slat fence. Low-profile green metal chairs and a rusted steel fire bowl add an industrial edge, while overhead string lights provide a warm, inviting glow that makes the dark color palette feel cozy rather than cold. 5. The curvy modernist meadow. Perfect for suburban backyards, this design uses sweeping, curved brick edging to separate a lush green lawn from a winding gravel path and patio. Small stone circles and decorative trellises on the walls provide vertical interest, proving that gravel can be used to create organic flowing shapes that lead the eye through the garden. 6. The Grand Adirondack Circle. Centering around a massive stacked stone permanent fire pit, this wide gravel circle features classic Adirondack chairs. The expansive use of gravel here accommodates a large group and transitions seamlessly into the surrounding trees and pool area, offering a rugged yet refined gathering spot. 7. Rustic stone-walled retreat. This design uses a low, dry-stack stone wall to create a protective hug around a circular gravel patio. With a simple metal fire bowl and heavy timber chairs, the look is timeless and earthy, blending perfectly with the surrounding forest and large decorative boulders. 8. Family-friendly lounge and play zone. Gravel isn't just for adults. This bright and airy space combines a comfortable outdoor sofa and a modern fire table with a stylish mini playhouse for kids. The gravel acts as a clean, durable floor that can handle both heavy foot traffic and children's play, all while looking sophisticated with pink and gray accents. 9. The Coastal Vista Overlook. In this expansive property, dark gravel is used to create a massive viewing platform overlooking the ocean. Large natural rocks are scattered throughout to mimic the rugged coastline, while simple wooden chairs are positioned to soak in the sunset. This shows how gravel can be used on a grand scale to complement a spectacular natural view. 10. Contemporary bistro and outdoor kitchen. This sleek, urban-inspired patio uses light gray gravel to ground a full outdoor kitchen and dining area. Bright yellow accent chairs and hanging festoon lights bring a pop of energy to the space, while large concrete pavers create a clear walking path from the house to the grill, blending functionality with high-concept design. Designing a gravel patio is about more than just laying down some stones. It is about creating a texture-rich environment that invites you to slow down and enjoy the outdoors. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of a modern fire pit lounge or the romantic charm of a hidden garden nook, gravel provides the perfect, affordable foundation for your creativity. It's a choice that rewards you with low maintenance and high style for years to come. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of inspiration. Which of these 10 gravel patio styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your own backyard transformation, hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming DIY tutorials and design deep dives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.